Edam is a software and hardware modular system that brings automation for the laser cutting room and manages the whole production workflow. It can be easily integrated upstream and downstream on the production floor. There are no limitations in expanding the system. In past adoption, the Edam laser cutting solution has been installed in varied configurations and setups, with different types of cutting stations, such as CNCs, die cutting presses, manual cutting. Edam is capable to manage any kind of production process, from the most advanced offline workflow to the traditional inline workflow. This solution is compatible with any type of cutting solution used on new CNC cutting machines or manual cutting. Edam laser scaling and lasting machine IR3000 is a new standard for precision, speed, and economics. It can work both offline and inline. It has been deployed in multiple factories, such as Roofbends, Latucci, Minhua, Gujia. Its scanning technology allows high precision of heights, inspection, and the stability of the detection, which are important advantages compared to the scanning solutions with stick cameras. For lasting, the offline workflow allows simultaneous lasting of more than one height. Such multi-height lasting can be sustained by performing the same lasting job on more pieces in parallel. Also, lasting and cutting can be separated, enabling 24 hours lasting and 7 days lasting process. The lasting algorithm automatically adapts itself in order to shoot all types of heights and models in different production diversity. In general, Edam laser scanning and lasting machine can help higher production efficiency, quality, and stability. Edam intelligent laser cutting machine has 2 bridges and 2 conveyor belts, 2 cutting areas. Edam introduced also the offline workflow. This means that the cutter will be doing only what it's supposed to do, cutting. Its proper architecture of the cutter is ITTA's patent technology, which is unique in the market. By moving the scaling and lasting on other stations, a much higher productivity can be obtained. For an offline system, a cutter with 2 zones and 2 conveyors is ideal. For an inline system, a machine with 3 zones is the best option. ICH50DHC has 2 tools, 1 cutting knife and 1 pen. Customers can also choose to include punches. The cutting area is 3,200 by 3,000 millimeters, with maximum speed of 84 meters per minute, which is around 18 to 22 pieces of laser per hour. We have many after-sales service centers all over the world, such as Malaysia, Korea, Vietnam, India, Indonesia, Portugal, and Italy, Canada, and the USA. If customers have any questions, our service centers can help and provide assistance in a very short time.